How to turn on or turn off split keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. You will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so click on Samsung keyboard setting. Now here, scroll down and click on mode. So if you want to turn on or turn off split keyboard, so if you want to turn off split keyboard, so click on keyboard standard keyboard. So after click on standard keyboard, go back and click on messages app. Now here, so click on keyboard and you will see keyboard split screen. Split keyboard is turn off. So if you want to turn on split keyboard, so go back to home screen and click on Samsung keyboard settings. Now here, so click on mode and click on split keyboard. So after click on split keyboard, you will see split keyboard is turn on. So go back and click on messages app. Sorry. You will see split keyboard is turned on. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off split keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.